When working with spreadsheets, what should we do if we want to hide and protect the formulas in the cells? Take this spreadsheet as an example. Click the Review tab, then we can box the cells containing the formulas, right-click for the pop-up dialog, select Format Cells. Its shortcut key is Ctrl+1. Next, click Protection, check Locked and Hidden at the same time, and click OK. We sometimes find that in the dialog settings, the Locked option displays a black square which represents unchecked. What's the cause of this? It turns out that here are both locked and unlocked cells in our boxed area. We need to recheck the Locked option so that the selected cells are all locked. Note, Locked and Hidden can only take effect when Protect Sheet is turned on, and the two functions need to be used in conjunction with each other. So in the next step, we also need to click Protect Sheet to complete the protective action. In this way, when we select a cell, only the calculation result can be displayed without the formula, and we can't make any edits to the cell.